Hello everyone, welcome back to JDCodebase. Today we are solving a very important problem, that is the missing number, and you are given an array containing a n distinct number in the range from the 0 to n. Now that means exactly one number is missing and your job is to find out that number. So in this problem, like in the example number 1, we have nums array 301, and we have a range from 0 to n, means 0, 1, 2, 3, and now 2 is missing in this array, so we return the 2. And inside in the second example we have nums is equal to 0, 1 are the elements in the array, and we return the 2 because since there are two numbers only, and so all numbers are in the range from the 0 to 2, so 2 is the missing number in this array. And like here in this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 is missing in this. So for this problem we will see we will cover the three approaches. First one is the brute force approach, then a better approach, and the best approach also, the third one. So let's start with the sorting method. Just sort the array and check if the index matches value. Like I just sort the array nums dot sort a comma b, a minus b. Then just start a for loop, let I equal to 0, I smaller than nums.length I plus plus, and check if nums of I is not equal to I. Then we get the that element, just return I, and after that else we have to return the nums.length, means if anything nothing found, then because we are just using the equal to smaller than this nums.length, if we write the equal we can get the also that one. So let's try to run the solution. Yes, it accepted. Let's try to submit the solution. So basically we just sort the array, and in the array we have from values from the 0 to n, in the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up to n elements. So we just compare whether nums of I is equal to I or not. After that we just return it if it's not. Now time complexity for this solution is the big of n log n, and the space complexity is the bigger one because we are not using any extra space, but time complexity is too high because of due to the sorting, and sorting slow compared to the other approaches. So let's move to the second approach, that use the map. Here we store all the numbers from this array, and the means and check which one is missing. So let map equal to new map, and we just start a for loop for let I equal to 0, I is smaller than nums dot length and I plus plus. Now this time we just set map dot set that nums of I value and mark as it true, we see that value, and means with this we just set with the 1, 0 is the true, 1 is the true, 3 is true, but 2 is nothing found in this. So in the next for loop just start a new for loop for let I equal to 0, I smaller than equal to nums dot length and I plus plus equal to, because we have to cover till the n element, not the n minus 1. Now check if map dot has this I value or not, because I runs till the nums dot length, so it covers all the elements. If it is, then just continue. Else we means found that element and return the ith value. So let's try to run the solution, and yes, it accepted. Let's try to submit the solution, and it passed. But here is the catch. The time complexity here is big of n. It's fine as compared to the last one, big of n log n to big of n. But here the space complexity again comes to the big of n. Why? Because I am using this map in the JavaScript, and that is not an optimal solution for in the case of the spacing complexity, because extra space is used here. This is fine. This is a brute force like the solution. Just take out all the elements and mark as the true, and check whether the again start a for loop and check whether we see that number or not. And if it is not, then return the ith missing number from that. So for this solution, or for more optimize, the best solution for this problem is that use the XOR operator. Use the arithmetic, means we have the AND or not, XOR, these type of operators. So use that one. So there is a operator called the XOR that has a property called this one is the XOR operator. Just in your keyboard shift, just a arrow button, and this has a property like we have 1 XOR 1. This give me 0. If the same number if the same number we apply the XOR, it give us the 0. If we apply the different one, like I write A XOR 0, the different one, so it gives the only missing number remains. So here idea is that we have the like these type of nums value. So we initialize the XOR, and first we take out the XOR. Just look, let me write here, let XOR is equal to 0, let n equal to nums.length, right? And here start a for loop for let I equal to 0, I is smaller than equal to n, as usually, right? Just a new normal for loop. Then we XOR equal to XOR of to I. So after that we get XOR value. Then again start let num of nums equal to XOR equal to XOR of num, and in last return the XOR. Yes, it accepted. So let me show you what I am doing in this solution. Like I have a array 9 6 4 2 3 5 7 0 1. So I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 is missing, and 9 up to 0 to 9 value in this, and 8 is missing, right? So the full range for this array is like 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, right? So this is a full array. Now I want to get this, I want to take out the 8 from this. Now just apply the XOR on this. First apply the XOR on this 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now you might be thinking, from where 8 this come? This 8 come from this one, from this for loop, because we just run from I is equal to 0 to up to n. So in this I get all the value from 0 to n. I get 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now in this second for loop I again run this with the value 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9, because in the num we do not have the 8. So when we apply this same value cancel out, means 0 to 0 cancel out, 1 to 1 cancel out, 2 to 2 cancel out, 3 to 3 cancel out, all the same numbers are cancel out. In the last we get the 8 here. So we just return the XOR, and that is the solution for this one. So let's try to submit the solution. Yes, it accepted and it passed all the 122 test cases. And here every number cancel out: 0 to 0, 1 to 1, 2 to 2, 3 to 3, 4 to 4, 5 to 5, 6 to 6, 7 to 7. 8 is not present and 9 to 9 is cancelled out. So 8 is remain from this and I get the 8 as the answer. Basically it work in the binary format. Like I have 6 binary number is the 110, then 6, then 110. Now 0 to 0 is the cancel out, and 1 to 1 also cancel out, 1 to 1 also cancel out. So I get the 0 and 0 as the answer. So same bit cancel out: 0 1 1 and 0 0 0, 1 1 0, 1 1 0. So this is the better solution for the most optimal solution for this problem. And here key insight is like XOR work at the bit level and duplicate number vanish and missing number stay in this. So this is the best the three solution for this missing number problem. And the time complexity for the last one is the big of n, because just a single for loop we run the 2 for loops, and space complexity also big of 1. So today we cover the 3 approaches: sorting, but easy, but it is very slow, and map using the map method, better but uses the extra space. XOR method, it is the best and most efficient method. If you understand the XOR, you have unlocked a very powerful concept used in many problems. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to JDCodebase. I will see you in the next video.